Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. If you do not subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get up to 1000 naira airtime in Nigeria using many things like using Facebook, using the social media. What I want to show you today is this. If you could see at this top, there is take survey and get 800 in mobile credit for your time. Absolutely, it's legend. Cause I saw it, I use it, I make it. But you will take at least 10 to 15 minutes before you can be able to finish. Absolutely, I have do it. You are seeing how things is working or is going. So they will ask you some questions, like a exam, or I should say test. You are just to answer or to pick. If A is A, if B is B, you are to answer it. Yeah, absolutely. You see, this is my first payment of 400 naira. Let me show you in my SMS. So I have played it. So guys, in order to get your own, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can go and click it. Once you click it, the link will bring you to your Facebook, where I will see the advance, or I should say the link. Actually, me, I have said my, so there is proof. I will show you like up to the end till end. So you see, this is my second payment. Let me show you the second payment. I think he's here at the first one. So you see, good news, the payment has been accepted by our mobile operation. You should receive the credit soon. I have credited, they have credited me, and I see it and I use it. So the reason why I do this video is to help you to get yours. You know, if I help you can get yours, you will be happy right now. So please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our new channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye.